One thing I love about living in Canada is the rotation of seasons. We have four beautiful seasons, and each one comes with the good, the bad, and the ugly. But summer is always long awaited, and 2025 summer is finally here, and we are gearing up for outdoor cooking. Summer cannot come and you don't have outdoor cooking, then you have not enjoyed summer. Hello and welcome to my channel. I post videos on everyday organic simple family living in Canada in case if you're new here. Today we will be unboxing, assembling our new charcoal grill, and we will also be doing our first barbecue of the season. I want to use this opportunity to say thank you for watching, and don't make it your last. Remember to subscribe, say hi to me in the comment section, and I will come and interact with you right there, and give this video a thumbs up. One question for you: do you prefer charcoal or propane barbecue? Leave your answer in the comment section for me, and enjoy watching this video. Where? Okay, so you can wait. Anyways, this is the charcoal barbecue grill, or charcoal grill, that's what it's called. So that's the leg, right? This barbecue grill, this grill, it came with lots and lots of parts. All the parts that you need to put it together is there, including the screw, including the nut. It's not what it's called, this thing that he's putting in here, and every single thing that you need to put it together it came with. So it was quite a lot of parts. If it was me alone doing it, I don't know if I'll be able to put it together. So you need to be handy, or you hire somebody who is handy, who can read the manual. If you're the type who does not like to follow manual and you don't know how to fix things, it might take you a while. You'll still figure it out, but it might take you a while. But I can't remember how long it took him, maybe about 2 hours or 3 hours that it took him to finally put everything together. After that, then we'll go ahead and test it. Me in particular, I prefer charcoal grill. I don't know, it's just there's a taste, there's that smokiness that comes out of charcoal that you don't get from propane barbecue. That's why I always go for charcoal barbecue. This is the second one we are getting. The first one was also a charcoal barbecue. I had the option of going for propane, but I said no, charcoal is what I prefer. So that's why we went for this one. Just in case if you're wondering, it's just personal preference. not as big as. That's good. Between the pieces and between the pieces and then. Coming together. This is supposed to be like this, like this, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, this is finally done, and we brought it outside. It rained a little bit. These are the features of this thing that I like, and I will tell you the ones that I don't like. Number one, this one is one of the things to open it. It's just so some of the smoke will come out, and then you can close it. You can close it like that. And on this side too, you have this one, so you can open it and close it. It has another one on this side as well. On this side, so it has two, one on this side and one on the other side. And I like that it has this table, two of them, so when you're cooking you can put it out there. And the temperature, just to tell you the temperature, okay, when you're cooking. And it has this sturdy handle. It's very sturdy actually. This one is to open. It rained, so it rained a little bit. So open it and hold on and close. Okay. And that's the inside. It's quite nice. I have these two stuff. I think this is you use this for to take this off, I think, like this. That's what this one is used for. The only part that I don't like so far is how to crank this up. See, inside you have where you put the charcoal. Okay, the previous one we had something like this where you can crank it up from the outside or crank it down. However, this one, this is how it came. You have to actually move it up like this or like this, see, and then move on the other side to the level you want. But the problem with this is when you're cooking and your food is already on and you want to reduce the heat, how are you going to do that? Are you going to take your food out and start adjusting that? So that is the number one problem that I have, the only problem that I have with this so far. We haven't used it, so I guess to be on the safe side, you have to always put it on the lowest end, because charcoal can get very hot. Anyways, that's it. We're going to use it soon to test it, to try it and see if it's working as it's supposed to.